When considering electrical services, several key factors can differentiate one electrician from another. These factors encompass technical expertise, customer service, reliability, ethical practices, and additional services that provide value beyond basic repairs. Firstly, superior technical expertise is paramount. A certified and licensed electrician with extensive training and experience in electrical repair and installation possesses the knowledge and skills necessary to handle a wide range of electrical issues. In-depth knowledge of electrical codes and safety standards is essential for ensuring that all work is performed safely and in compliance with regulations. The ability to troubleshoot complex electrical problems and provide efficient solutions is a hallmark of a skilled electrician. Secondly, exceptional customer service is critical. A friendly, professional, and responsive electrician prioritizes customer needs and strives to provide a positive experience. Clear communication and thorough explanations of the work performed help customers understand the issues and solutions. Respect for customer property and time constraints demonstrates professionalism and consideration. A willingness to go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction is a sign of a dedicated service provider. Thirdly, efficiency and reliability are important considerations. On-time arrival and completion of service calls minimize disruption and inconvenience for customers. Flexible scheduling and emergency response services provide peace of mind knowing that help is available when needed. The use of state-of-the-art tools and equipment enables electricians to perform work efficiently and effectively. Transparent pricing and detailed billing ensure that customers understand the costs involved and avoid any surprises. Fourthly, trustworthiness and ethical practices are essential. Being licensed, bonded, and insured provides customers with peace of mind knowing that they are protected in case of accidents or damages. Adherence to ethical practices and a commitment to honesty build trust and confidence. Background checks and references available upon request further demonstrate a commitment to integrity. Fifthly, additional value-added services can set an electrician apart. Home safety inspections and safety tips help customers identify and address potential hazards. Smart home automation consultations and installation services can enhance convenience and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient solutions and recommendations can help customers save money on their energy bills. Assistance with insurance claims and electrical inspections can simplify the process and ensure compliance. Competitive pricing and transparency are also key differentiators. Competitive rates and upfront pricing with no hidden fees ensure that customers receive fair value for their money. Detailed estimates and explanations of costs help customers understand the scope of the work and the associated expenses. Flexible payment options can minimize the financial burden and make electrical services more accessible. Some examples of additional details that enhance technical competence include a deep understanding of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and its practical application. For instance, knowing how to properly size conductors based on ampacity and dating factors, as outlined in NEC Table 310.15, is crucial for safe and reliable installations. An electrician should also be proficient in calculating voltage drop to ensure that electrical equipment receives adequate power. Understanding grounding and bonding requirements, as specified in NEC Article 250.4, is essential for preventing electrical shock hazards and ensuring equipment safety. Familiarity with different types of wiring methods such as conduit, cable, and wireways allows an electrician to choose the appropriate method for each application. Expertise in lighting design and control systems enables electricians to create efficient and aesthetically pleasing lighting solutions. Knowledge of motor control circuits and variable frequency drives, or VFDs, is valuable for industrial and commercial applications. Proficiency in using electrical testing equipment such as multimeters, clamp meters, and insulation testers is necessary for troubleshooting and verifying the safety of electrical systems. In terms of customer service, clear and concise communication is essential. An electrician should be able to explain complex electrical concepts in a way that is easy for customers to understand. Active listening and attentiveness to customer concerns are crucial for addressing their needs effectively. Providing timely updates on the progress of work and promptly responding to inquiries demonstrate professionalism and respect. Offering multiple options and solutions for electrical problems empowers customers to make informed decisions. Following up with customers after the completion of work to ensure their satisfaction shows a commitment to quality service. Regarding reliability, maintaining a well-stocked vehicle with a wide range of tools and materials enables electricians to handle most common repairs on the spot. Using high-quality materials and components ensures the longevity and reliability of electrical installations. Implementing a system for tracking service calls and managing schedules helps electricians stay organized and efficient. Providing warranties or guarantees on workmanship and materials gives customers confidence in the quality of the work. Offering preventative maintenance services, such as electrical inspections and surge protection, can help customers avoid future problems. In terms of ethical practices, obtaining all necessary permits and inspections ensures that electrical work is performed in compliance with regulations. Providing accurate and honest assessments of electrical problems and avoiding unnecessary repairs builds trust with customers. Respecting customer privacy and confidentiality is essential for maintaining a professional relationship. Disclosing any potential conflicts of interest or limitations of expertise often demonstrates honesty and integrity. Treating all customers fairly and equitably, regardless of their background or circumstances, is a fundamental ethical principle. Considering the specific location in Houston, Texas, an electrician should be familiar with local built-in codes and regulations, as well as any unique environmental factors that may affect electrical systems. For example, Houston's humid climate can increase the risk of corrosion and require the use of specialized materials and techniques. Additionally, an electrician should be aware of any local utility company requirements or incentives for energy-efficient upgrades. An electrician should also be familiar with the diverse demographics of Houston and be able to communicate effectively with customers from different cultural backgrounds. Understanding the unique electrical needs of different types of properties, such as residential homes, commercial buildings, and industrial facilities, is also important. An electrician working in Houston should also be prepared to deal with emergency situations such as power outages caused by hurricanes or other severe weather events. This may require having access to backup generators and other emergency equipment. Finally, an electrician in Houston should be aware of the competitive landscape and be able to differentiate themselves from other service providers by offering superior quality, customer service, and value. This may involve specializing in a particular area of electrical work, such as smart home automation or renewable energy systems. Now let's further delve into the technical aspects. An electrician needs a strong understanding of three-phase power systems, which are commonly used in commercial and industrial settings. This includes knowing how to calculate voltage, current, and power in three-phase circuits, as well as how to troubleshoot three-phase equipment. An electrician should also be familiar with different types of electrical distribution systems, such as radial, loop, and network systems, and their respective advantages and disadvantages. Understanding power factor correction and its impact on energy efficiency is also important. An electrician should be proficient in reading and interpreting electrical schematics and blueprints. This includes being able to identify different types of components, such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors, and understand their function in a circuit. An electrician should also be able to trace circuits and troubleshoot problems using schematics. An electrician should be knowledgeable about different types of electrical protection devices, such as circuit breakers, fuses, and ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs. This includes knowing how to select the appropriate protection device for a given circuit and how to test its functionality. An electrician should also be familiar with surge protection devices, or SPDs, and their role in protecting electrical equipment from voltage surges. An electrician should be proficient in installing and maintaining different types of lighting systems, including incandescent, fluorescent, and LED lighting. This includes knowing how to calculate lighting levels and select the appropriate fixtures for a given application. An electrician should also be familiar with lighting control systems, such as dimmers and occupancy sensors, and their role in energy efficiency. An electrician should be knowledgeable about different types of electrical motors and their applications. This includes knowing how to connect and control motors, as well as how to troubleshoot motor problems. An electrician should also be familiar with variable frequency drives, or VFDs, and their role in controlling motor speed and energy consumption. An electrician should be proficient in installing and maintaining electrical equipment in hazardous locations, such as areas where flammable gases or dusts are present. This includes knowing how to select and install explosion-proof equipment and follow strict safety procedures. An electrician should be knowledgeable about renewable energy systems, such as solar photovoltaic or PV systems and wind turbines. This includes knowing how to install and maintain these systems, as well as how to connect them to the grid. An electrician should be proficient in using various types of electrical testing equipment, such as multimeters, clamp meters, insulation testers, and power quality analyzers. This includes knowing how to use these instruments safely and accurately to diagnose electrical problems. An electrician should be knowledgeable about energy efficiency and conservation measures. This includes knowing how to identify opportunities to reduce energy consumption and recommend energy-efficient solutions to customers. An electrician should stay up to date with the latest advancements in electrical technology and industry best practices. This includes attending training courses, reading industry publications, and participating in professional organizations. Now, let's consider some specific examples of how these factors can be applied in real-world situations. Imagine a customer calls with a problem in their home. A superior electrician will arrive on time, listen carefully to the customer's description of the problem, and conduct a thorough inspection of the electrical system. They will then explain the problem clearly and offer several solutions along with their respective costs and benefits. The electrician will perform the work efficiently and safely, using high-quality materials and following all applicable codes and regulations. They will clean up the work area after the job is complete and follow up with the customer to ensure their satisfaction. In another scenario, a business owner needs to upgrade the lighting in their commercial building. A knowledgeable electrician will assess the existing lighting system and recommend energy-efficient LED fixtures that will reduce energy consumption and improve lighting quality. They will provide a detailed proposal outlining the costs, energy savings, and payback period of the project. The electrician will install the new lighting system with minimal disruption to the business operations and ensure that it meets all applicable codes and standards. In a third example, a homeowner wants to install a smart home automation system. A skilled electrician will consult with the homeowner to understand their needs and preferences and recommend a system that meets their requirements. They will install and configure the system properly and provide training to the homeowner on how to use it effectively. In all of these scenarios, the electrician's technical expertise, customer service skills, reliability, ethical practices, and value-added services will contribute to a positive customer experience and a successful outcome. By focusing on these key factors, an electrician can differentiate themselves from the competition and build a strong reputation for providing quality electrical services. Additionally, continuing education and professional development are critical for staying ahead in the ever-evolving electrical field. Electricians should actively seek opportunities to expand their knowledge and skills, whether through formal training programs, industry conferences, or self-study. Staying abreast of new technologies, codes, and regulations is essential for providing customers with the most up-to-date and effective solutions. Furthermore, networking with other professionals in the electrical industry can provide valuable insights and opportunities for collaboration. Building relationships with suppliers, contractors, and engineers can help electricians stay informed about the latest trends and best practices. Participating in industry associations and attending trade shows can also provide valuable networking opportunities. Finally, seeking certifications in specialized areas of electrical work can enhance an electrician's credibility and expertise. Certifications in areas such as renewable energy, smart home automation, or industrial controls can demonstrate a commitment to excellence and provide a competitive edge. In conclusion, becoming a better electrician, then the competition requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses technical expertise, customer service skills, reliability, ethical practices, value-added services, continuing education, networking, and specialization. By focusing on these key areas, electricians can provide customers with superior quality, service, and value, and build a successful and rewarding career.